How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial with Eli Dugan. Today, I'll show you how to use Excel in a biology context. Right here, I have the very fake results of an experiment where I test the effects of the pH that an enzyme is kept at and the subsequent activity of the reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. Here, enzyme activity is determined by observing the change in concentration of oxygen in the reaction chamber, with oxygen gas being a product of the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. That's the reaction being tested. I have a 5x5 setup here, with 5 pH levels being tested, and 5 trials per pH level. To be clear, this is not real data, and it is technically wrong, so please do not use it in your bio class. I'm going to be looking at the difference between the oxygen levels pre and post reaction, so I'll set up a simple formula that takes that difference. I will copy it down there, and then I'll also just copy it across so that it works on all those numbers. Cool. I will also want the averages of each of these columns, so I can set that up, the average, and then copy that over. Next, I'll want to set up this results table over here, and I've finished that in advance. So this column here, this is just referencing the average difference from the tab over there. And then this column is going to take the standard deviation of each of the sets of differences, and that's so that we can put the error bars on this graph. So to make the graph, I'll select the first two columns, and then insert the type of graph that I want, make it a bit bigger. I don't think I need to format this axis, and I do want error bars, of course, so I'll start with standard error. I only want them in the vertical direction. And I will want to double click on them and click custom. So to specify value, I can specify that I want it to be equal to the standard deviation in both the positive and negative direction. And that's it. Following these steps, you too can use Excel to help you with your biology. Happy spreadsheeting, and long live the class of 2021.